فعل restore معنیه to return something or someone to an earlier condition or position رو میده. For example, the military regime has promised to restore democracy soon. Or the government has promised to restore the economy to full strength. Another example, the sea air will help to restore his health. Another one, the cream will restore youth and vitality to your skin. The residents of Leningrad voted to restore the city's original name of St. Petersburg. And the final example, we hope to restore the garden to its former glory. اینا همه مثالایی هستن که از فعل restore به مفهوم بازگشتن به وضعیت بهتر یا وضعیت قبلی استفاده کرده. این یکی از فعلایی هستش که در هر 4 مهارت آیلتس کاربرد زیادی داره.